Begin by making Turkish coffee. Traditionally, espresso is used, but Turkish coffee or strongly brewed coffee will also work. Mix together 1/2 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of ground Turkish coffee. Warm on the stove until it starts to foam. Stir and allow the coffee to foam once more. Remove from the heat and set aside. To a milk frothing pitcher or saucepan, combine 1½ cups milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, 1½ tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce. We will link our homemade caramel recipe in the description below. Warm the milk on low heat, stirring occasionally until it reaches a gentle simmer. When you pour your Turkish coffee into the cup, pour slowly and leave the very last bit of coffee in the bottom of the pitcher to avoid getting all the coffee grounds in the actual drink. Add in your milk mixture. Now let's make some whipped cream for the garnish. Whip together 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Transfer the whipped cream into a piping bag and pipe onto the macchiato. Take some more caramel sauce and drizzle it over the whipped cream and generously sprinkle with salt. This recipe makes 1 16-ounce serving or 2 8-ounce servings.
That's good.
Caramel Macchiato.
This flavorful drink just so happens to be my dad's all-time favorite.